Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then accessing it in the background. When you're ready, click on the icon of it and tap on Open in Pop-up View. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you want to, you can always turn your app into a bubble by clicking on Home button. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. You can also resize your window by holding one of its corners, selecting the perfect size and letting go. In order to close your app completely, you can always turn it into a bubble and then drag your bubble to remove section, or simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!